Homework Help with Jen. We're doing Chapter 3, Problem 89 here. And it says to give the balanced equation for each of the following chemical reactions. Alright, so A, okay, so we'll come over here now. Hopefully this is in focus. Okay, A says that we have glucose, which is C6H12O6, reacts with oxygen gas. Now oxygen gas is always O2 gas to produce gaseous carbon dioxide, CO2 gas, and water vapor. So that's an H2O gas. Okay, so the first thing is being able to read this and knowing what things look like in their forms. Now what we need to do is we need to balance this. Okay, so we see here that we have 6 oxygens. Sorry, 6 carbons. So we need 6 carbons over here also. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put a 6 here. And now over here we see that we have 12 hydrogens in our reactants, and we need 12 over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a 6 in front of our H2O. Okay, so now we have the 6 carbons that we need and the 12 hydrogens that we need, and we need to go back and we need to balance our oxygens. So from this side we have 6 times 2, we have 12 oxygens plus 6 oxygens. Okay, means that we have 18 oxygens total. And we have O2 here and O6 here. Okay, well this O6 here accounts for the 6 oxygens here, and now we have 12. So we need 6 O2. So our balanced reaction is 1 C6H12O6 plus 6 O2 gives us 6 CO2 and 6 H2O. I'll do one more. Okay, this is solid iron 3 sulfide. So iron 3 sulfide. So let's remember sort of as an aside over here that iron 3 is iron 3 plus and sulfide is S2 minus. Okay, so that means that iron sulfide is going to be Fe2S3 and it's a solid. Okay, and it reacts with gaseous hydrogen chloride, HCl gas, to form solid iron 3 chloride. Okay, so iron 3 is like so with chloride Cl minus, which means it's FeCl3 plus hydrogen sulfide gas. So our sulfide is S2 minus. So we have SH plus and S2 minus. Okay, so this becomes H2S, and that's a gas. And the FeCl3 is solid. Okay, so let's balance this. Here we have 2 irons, and so we need 2 irons over here. Okay. Now here we have 2. We have H2S here, but we need 3 sulfurs, so we could put a 3 there. And you know what? This isn't going to work quite right, I don't think. Oh, but maybe it will. Okay, so now we have 2 irons and 3 sulfurs. Good, good. And here we have 2 irons here, and so these match. Okay, but here we have 6 hydrogens and 2 times 3, 6 chlorines. Oh, and that works very well. So we just put a 6 there and we're done. So basically you would do all of these in the same way.